back to Kababayan Today. I'd like to acknowledge the help and support of FASTG, Filipino-American Service Group, which is a nonprofit neighborhood-based health and human care provider for low-income, underserved Phil-Am families and others in the Los Angeles County. From its inception, FASTG's chartered mission has remained to empower the underserved through cultural competent care, advocacy, social services, education, social action, research, and leadership. This organization has helped prevent unnecessary or early institutionalization of thousands of underserved low-income individuals, especially ang mga seniors. Maraming salamat po for all the work that you do for our kababayans. And they are also responsible for getting in touch with our guests today. Maraming salamat sa FASTG. Now, pag-usapan natin, ano ang sikreto? Diba? Ano ang sikreto in a relationship for the two of you?
Ako kasi, contrary do sa belief nung nakararami, no, that with a same-sex relationship is parang we are godless or we defy yung belief values and yung mga kinalikhan natin while we were growing up. Pero I think it's on the contrary. Kasi it's because I know myself and I know my God. Yun na nga, to my God will I stand or fall. As long as naniniwala ko sa sarili ko, alam ko yung gusto ko, kilala ko siya, masaya kami, and I trust that God won't lead me this way without Him na ilalagay ako sa masama or sa ano. So, andun yung very strong yung faith ko. So, parang it's there para yung relationship namin maging stronger. And hindi kami nabubuwag ng mga naririnig namin. Kasi if you would listen to the people around you, talagang madidismaya ka eh. Kasi yun na nga, parang ang daming, they say a lot of things na parang
and
minsan
I'm sure these are things that are very hurtful, di ba?
Minsan nag-aaway kami. Kasi andun yung maririnig mo, hindi mo naman babae tayo, madaling mag-spark eh. So, hindi mo pwedeng awayin sila, di ba? So, minsan siya yung naaway ko. And he's just very patient. Kumbaga, minsan tatahimik na nga lang. Tapos, ayun lang. Tapos, until such time na marirealize ko na yung kabutihan niya, nahihigatan yung mga pagkukulang, yung mga bagay na hindi naman dapat wino-worry.
Right. So, you always look at the nicer things, the more positive things as opposed to the negative things, di ba? Because it's easy to be very negative, tapos iniisip, ay, ba't ganito, ganyan? Imbes, you think of all the wonderful things that this person has brought to your life.
Yes.
Yan. Ikaw, Randa, ano yung, para sa'yo, ano yung sikreto ng isang relasyon ng pagmamahalan?
Sikreto? Yung pagbibigayan lang.
Pagbibigayan?
Pagbibigayan namin. Tapos yung lagi kaming magkasama kung anong problema, pinag-uusapan namin.
So communication is very important, no? Ikaw minsan silent treatment ka.
Oo, silent. Pero pagka yung nagsasalita din naman ako.
Ayun. So, I can see from what you're telling me na ayaw mong mga conflict.
Oo.
Diba? Ayaw mo yung nag-aaway, diba?
Ayaw nag-aaway.
Oo, kasi nakakainis talaga.
Nakakainis nga. Tapos yung mga taong may sinasabi, nag-uusap na lang kami ng dalawa. Kasi, siyempre maraming umano sa kanya, bahala.
Ayun. So, eto masasabi namin sa lahat ng mga tao na mahilig mag-chismis sa pinag-uusapan ng mga hindi naman nila experience o storya. Tama na. Thank you. Ayun. Maraming salamat for sharing your love story here on Kababayan Today. Maraming salamat po sa lahat sa inyo na nanonood ng show namin ngayong araw na ito. We'll see you all again next time here on Kababayan Today.